Hello guys, in this video we'll know about how we can use our mobile phone as microphone. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you. So let us start. First of all, you have to open your Android phone and you can open the Play Store, Google Play Store, and in search box you can search WO mic and click on it and click install. Now you can click open WO mic. Now I have started the WO mic on my Android phone. Now in the same way you can install on your PC. Here I can search WO mic for PC and click enter. Here you can see this link. You can open this link. Here you can see the downloads. Click here download and scroll down. You will see the file for Windows. This is the WO mic installer for Windows. Click here download. Here you can see it downloaded the WO mic for PC. Double click on it. Here you can see the installation window. Click here OK. Click now next. Click next. This is the destination folder where it can be installed. Click install. Here you can see it shows the reboot now. I want to manually reboot later. Click finish. Click minimize and we will reboot now. Now the WO mic has been installed on both the devices, PC and the mobile phone. Now open the WO mic on PC first and now on the Android phone open it, and here you can see the connections. Connect. We can connect it with Bluetooth. You have to be sure that both the devices should have Bluetooth on. Here we can see whether Bluetooth, yes, it's Bluetooth is on. And Android phone, open the Android phone Bluetooth, and here you can see the connection. Now connect it, use the connect, click on connect and choose here Bluetooth. And also in Android phone WO mic application, click here three dots and settings, and here you can see the transport should be Bluetooth. Now you can click on this play button on mobile phone and here you can click connect. Now it will connect both the devices. It shows failed because we have to connect it with Bluetooth pair. Click here open Bluetooth, add Bluetooth device. Here you can see that click here add Bluetooth or other device. Now click here Bluetooth. Here it shows the mobile phone Redmi. Click here and click here connect. Now on the mobile phone click here pair and click here connect. Now you can see the phone is connected with this computer. Click here done, and on the mobile phone click WO mic and click here play button on the mobile phone on WO mic. Now here you have to choose the Bluetooth device. Bluetooth device is Redmi and click here connect. Now it will be connected very soon. Yes, now it is connected. You can see on the Android phone that it's green. It shows here it's connected. Now we can use this mobile phone as a microphone for our PC. You have to also configure some settings on the PC so that it will our phone will act as a microphone. Go to the here sounds and recording devices, and here you have to scroll down, and here you can see the microphone. Here is WO mic device. Click here OK. Now this way you can use your mobile phone as microphone. I hope you find this video informative. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you.